Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw the Doom Slayer from Fortnite Chapter 4 Season 1 Fracture. Okay, so let's go in at the top up here and make a little dot sort of about there. That's going to be the top of this guy's helmet. Just going to draw a little semicircle just around like so. Okay, just draw another little one underneath as well, same sort of thing. Okay, that's cool. Let's do this guy's helmet that goes out to about, let's say, around here. Just going to draw an arc around here. Around, join up there. Just do the same on the other side. So leave a little gap there. Just go out and around, just line up there. Just create a little semicircle or kind of oval around here. Where it's like mask part. So it's going to go in like so. Pop a little line in just about there. Just going to do his visor area. So I'm just going to do like a little arc out, around, down. Same on this side. Out, around, just sort of goes on this side there. Down, join that up there. Okay. A couple of little mini ovals around that larger oval we had there. And then maybe just a couple of little diagonal points there. Just put a few little lines in around here too. Okay, cool. And then just a couple of little lines in there. All right. Just maybe pop in another little curve there, a curve there for the helmet area. Okay. It's kind of got like a little bit of a collar around here. So I'm just going to draw a little curve area there. Do the same around here, like that. And now we can kind of put these big shoulder pads in. So we're going to come down from maybe about here to about here. Sort of come out down, and then we're just going to go around and down to that point there. So around, down like that. Let's just join these up. So kind of come out and a diagonal, straight down, out, curve around there. So one shoulder pad. And then the other one, same sort of thing. We're going to go do a little bit there, kind of pop out a bit here, okay, and then come in, join that up, diagonal up, and then just join that up there. Okay, right, cool. Let's just join the shoulder pad to the shoulder area, either side there, a couple of lines in. Okay, let's work out his hands are going to be about there, going to be joined up together. So I'm just going to put a little marker in there, a little dot, probably go down to about here, and just create a little kind of rectangle area there where his pad of his hand, an old glove is. Okay, from that we can might move out to maybe about here or so. Okay, let's just draw a line, and this is where his lower arm area is going to be. So I'm just going to draw a little area sort of tapering out and in. Same on this side, we'll taper out and in, like that. A little bit of a pad in there for his elbow, so just do a little sort of circle area. He's got a bit more armour here as well, so just going to kind of draw a little pad in there that kind of goes around the arm, like that, down. And we'll just join that up there. Okay. Put a little line in here as well, sort of denote where his arm is. Right, it's got some little fingers here, so I'm just going to kind of show that by sort of drawing a little line down. Do it again, 2, 3, 4, join that up. So we've got his fingers in there now. Now he's holding his other hand like with a clenched fist, so all we need to do down here is just do a little ball like that, maybe just sort of show a little curve where his other hand is going. This side, it's got a bit of armour, so we're probably going to go out to about maybe here. Just draw a curve out down to there. And we'll just join that up on the other side as well. So maybe just a little line there. What we'll do is just a curve down to there. Okay. It's got a bit of, I think it's like skin on this side. So just do a little line there for the arm. Draw another little semicircle for his like little pad of his arm. And then there's a little bit of armour sort of underneath, so I'm just going to draw that going in like that and draw that up. Now we can look at his chest plate. So kind of from here, and it goes to about there. as like a line. So just do a horizontal line there. Either side of that, down, down, little diagonal. And then it's kind of got like a bigger sort of chest plate. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a circle there, a little bit of a circle to there. And we'll do a straight line up, straight line again, a little bit there. Join that up and just sort of show underneath with a little line. There's a bit of a chest plate. It's kind of like a little part here of a circle. Join it up with 2 horizontal lines, and then it's kind of like part of the armor kind of goes around like that. A couple of little lines in there. This part here, we can just do a little semicircle there. So a little circle around there, that will work for that part. And then we kind of just join that up where it's got kind of like neck armor going on. So maybe just a couple of little lines in there, just to show that off. Okay, let's have a look where his torso is going to be, about here. So I'm just going to draw a little sort of line there, down for his torso. Let's just join that up, like that. And we can just draw a little belt area, so just do a little rectangle. It's like a little bit on his glove that's like a bit of a knife, so let's just do that part there, bring it around in, and just do a little line there to show it's a bit sharp. Another one maybe there. Okay. There's a belt along here, so I'm just going to put a little belt area like that. And it's got a little, something on, like a little pocket or something on the belt. So just draw a little sort of pockety pad on there, and then join that up there. Maybe another little line in there and there, just to show it's like armor. Right. Center of the legs is going to be probably about there. Okay. And it's got quite chunky body armor legs, so I think they're going to go to about here. So draw a straight line there, and we're going to draw from there like chunky armor, so like that there, and then up through here. So just draw that up there, one leg there. This side, I think the armor is going to be about there. Okay, so I'm just going to draw leg down there. This side, join up to here. Chunky leg armor there. Okay. Now these are the starter parts of these armored legs, so I'm just going to do a little sort of semicircle, sort of half circle there to show that. Probably going to go to about here and about here for his armor, and just draw in like the knee armor part of his leg there. That's cool. Right, his legs probably going to come down to about here. So quite chunky boots on, so I'm going to come out a little bit like that. Same on the other side, let's come out a little bit. Then we'll just bring it down. Same here, bring it down. This side as well, a little bit sort of tapered leg. Just comes out a little bit. He's got really chunky boots on. So the toe of his boot's going to come around down like that. Then we'll just come around like so with the boots. Same on this side, but his toe's going to probably come out to about here. So just do a curve around like that, like that. Just do a little line so the soles of his shoes, or his boots, like that. Then we can just put a little bit of armor in, so a few little lines, say 2, 3, 4, like that. And they can join up little V's there. And then with the boots, they kind of go around. So we're just going to mark that off. A couple of little circles now, just going to pop in for our Doom Slayer. Armor around here kind of comes up and along. Let's do some piping for that. Up and along, up and along. Yeah, that's cool. And then just draw in some terrain background on there. Okay. Just on the armor pads here, let's do some circles. So maybe 1, 2, 3. Let's do a line up, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A few little circular parts on there, and then just join that up here as well. Okay, a little bit of extra. Just put a couple of little circles on there. This side too. Just sort of show the armor off a little bit. Okay, that's good. Right, that's the line work done. Okay, let's get a nice bright green. And we're going to do the helmet area. I'm just going to get a nice bright green in there. Maybe just leave the outer parts there. And this side too, I'm going to do a darker little green. So go in here, actually this part here. Just colour in our character. On the sides here and here. And then the leg parts. Colour those in, just leave a little bit on the edge there, just to show that it's kind of like bouncing, light bouncing off the armour there. This arm here has kind of got that too. Colour those in. And the glove area as well. Just colour that there. Bit of green on this side. And on the edge there. Cool. Okay, let's get that darker green now. First of all, let's pop his visor colour in. So I'm just going to show a bit of light on here. So I'm just going to do a bit of a wiggle in the centre there and just have a little bounce of light. Maybe just a little bit there as well. Yeah, that's cool. Let's just do the edges. These just to show there's a bit of a two-tone colour going on. Okay, that's cool. Maybe just a bit, let's have a look here as well. Cool. And then just maybe actually this side here. Pop a bit in here too. And on the back side there. That's cool. Right, next up, let's get a grey colour. Let's just pop in the greys. So let's do the legs, like a lighter grey first of all, just on sides here. And this side too. Fill those in, just this blade area as well. Maybe this armour too here. Top of this. And this is kind of like this system he's got around here. Let's colour those in. Central bit there. Put some grey in there by the belt. Actually, the belt area, let's just put these little parts. Bit of the green. Put that in again. Okay, nice. Now let's get a darker grey. Just do the shading. So I'm just going to start at the boots, do the base of the boots down there, and then work our way around it like so. That up, maybe just on this side here, maybe just a bit there as well. Show that off. Just a bit of dark light works pretty good. Let's colour that part into this bit around here, maybe those bits, just to show a bit of texture there. This glove here, I think, as well. Let's colour him in like that. Yeah, that's good. Let's do that bag. Cool, right, let's go grab an orange colour. It's got some nice little orange pops around here, so I just wanted to show that off. A little bit of orange there. This shoulder pad, let's put a bit of orange in. Maybe just leave a little bit of white there, just to show the light bouncing off it. It's got a bit in between here as well, I think. And then the torso area, nice little bit of orange just popping off there. Okay, that's cool. Just get a little bit of a kind of flesh colour for this arm. Just pop that in there. And then maybe just get a deeper red colour. And we can just colour in a few of those little accent areas. So the knife area here, there's a little bit of red on this button here. Maybe there's a bit of red just on the helmet here. bit of texture and things like that, make it look really cool. Just sort of define the edges a little bit there, maybe here as well. And we'll just add a bit of that darker red, just popping off this shoulder pad. Okay, maybe just a little bit here as well, just to show the shadows going on there. Right, finally I'm just going to use a little bit yellow, just to show these areas here. I've had like light bouncing off it, just a bit of yellow just to show the little highlight areas around there. Maybe just a little bit in the visor area too. Cool, and maybe let's just pop some yellow just behind the terrain he's on as well. Okay, nice, just colour that in. All right, and that is, let's get a good red pen for that one. That is the Doom Slayer on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.